Where are we going? On a trip, a fun trip. Amy and I are gonna go to New York, guys, for just a couple hours. Even though we shouldn't be, but
maybe like 8 hours.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun. And then I did a quick little beat. Even though my concealer kind of creasing a little bit. I don't like that. See that? My concealer. What eye cream you just use?
I don't use eye cream.
Huh?
What?
Why?
Do I need it?
Everybody needs eye cream.
No, I don't.
Yeah. I found that my eyes was kind of dry.
Mine's not.
No. That's why I asked you what eye cream you just use. Yeah. She have like really nice like skin.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wait. Where's my glasses? Hold
I
on.
gave my husband a facial last night.
Again?
Yeah, he like asked for it. It looks so cute. Then I had to do his face too. I did his and mine.
Yeah, your skin is nice.
Which I'm surprised because I used to tan a lot. Oh my gosh, they are so cute.
These glasses are from Hiiiii.
Clearly mine are Ray-Ban.
Yeah, she's a bougie one. She have Ray-Ban sunglasses.
You have like a Michael Kors bag.
Yeah, but you do too. Oh my god, I just looked at my sneakers. Hold on. Bitch. What? Fire. I can't.
Oh my god, where is this drive-through?
So we are getting Starbucks, and then how long does he drive? Like 3 hours?
No!
Like an hour and a half. Like an hour and a half.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
what is that talking about? It's literally like 20 minutes away.
Okay. So we'll check in.
You guys are awesome. I love you.
It's OVA the creator.
You guys are awesome.